If you want to turn off all the sensors on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on About. Under the About tablet section, just tap on the software information, and from here just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. After you enable developer options, then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Continue. Now as you can see, we have enabled developer options. Now under Settings, if you scroll down even more, you will find the option of developer options. Now just tap on it, and after you enter the developer option settings, from here just scroll down, and on this page you will find the section of Quick Settings Developer Tiles. Just tap on it, and from here just enable the toggle for sensors off. And after you do that, then go to your home screen and open the control center on your tablet. And after you open the control center, a new control will be added to the control center, which is called Sensors Off. Now if you enable this control or the shortcut, all the sensors on your tablet will be turned off. As you can see, as I try to open the camera app, it will not open. And if I try to use the microphone or any other sensor, it will not work. As you can see, it is not recording. Now to disable sensors off, just open the control center and disable this option. Now after you disable sensors off, you will enable all the sensors back on your tablet. As you can see, all the sensors are working again. As you can see, the recorder option is recording the sound. And this is how you can turn off all the sensors on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.